Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you a little glimpse inside Hershey Park in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Hershey Park was built by Milton S. Hershey, who was the owner of the Hershey Chocolate Company on May 30th, 1906. I have many fond memories of this park. I've been coming here since I was a kid. Although it's changed throughout the decades, it continues to be a place for family and friends to get together to have fun. So, let's get on with the walking tour of the sweetest place on earth.